In this video, we are going to see how we can fix the bad image error that occurs whenever you're trying to run any particular application, not just WinWord. This is just for the sake of example. But let's say that you're running some accounting application, some other office applications, and you see this kind of error that whatever is the extension in the DLL extension is either not designed to run on the Windows or it contains an error. Try installing the program again and using the original installation media, or contact your system administrator or the software vendor for the support. And the error code is 0xC000012F. So first of all, the problem might be that if you are trying to install the software that is on 32-bit and it conflicts with the 64-bit operating system. So let's say that software is either 32-bit and you're trying to run it on 64-bit, or either the application is of 64-bit and you're trying to run it in the application of 32-bit Windows. So that might be issue. Just make sure of that this is not the case. And what you can also do is just search for that DLL file on the internet directly. Just go to the Google and just write that DLL extension and you will get the latest version as well. So what you can do is just go to the System32 and paste the latest version of DLL at the same location. So either if it is causing the problem, it will replace it with the new one. So this might work, or otherwise, if it is corrupted file, it will be corrected as well. And let's say that you are having not just DLL image of the bad image, but basically all kind of DLL problems. What you can do is just go to the start menu and right here CMD. This is for the command prompt. Right click and run it as administrator. Click yes. And let me just make it full screen so that you can see it more clearly. And we need to write this simple command of dism.exe that I will link with the resources section of this video. You just need to copy and paste this simple command right here, hit enter, and it will start deployment imaging service and management tool. It might take some time, so just sit back and relax while it completes that. And now it is 100% complete. The restore operation completed successfully. And now we will paste or write another command. We just have to write here sfc space /scannow. Scannow should be one word without any space. So you have to write in exactly the same way. Hit enter. And it will begin the system scan. This process will take some time. Begin verification phase of the system scan. So verification is started. It is completed 3%, and we just have to wait until it completes it fully. So once the verification is complete, it will either resolve and show you the error update, or it will show you that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So that is a good thing. After that, just close out of here. And we need to restart our computer once to make all of this effective. And after that, you can just try running that application or that update, whatever you were doing again, and you should face no problem in accessing that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, just comment down below if that works for you. If this doesn't work, what works for you? Just remember to mention in comments so that it can help all the community out here, because we are in this together. So we have to help each other to resolve this problem. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.